After opening Adobe Audition, we click on the recording icon. Then we choose these settings. Make sure that yours is same as mine. Now click again and choose the same settings I have. Now we are recording. So record your voice to have a recording sample. Press the stop and then the unwanted voice, you can drag your mouse and click delete on your keyboard to delete it. Now let's edit it. First select the quiet sample on your recording. Then go to Effect tab. Click on Noise Reduction, Restoration, then Capture Noise Print, or press Shift P. Now select all by Ctrl A, then choose Noise Reduction, or press Ctrl Shift P. On this, make sure that the left handle is on the top of the green curve. Then adjust the right one to make a perfect line. Back to Effects tab. Now Filters and EQ, then Parametric Equalizer. Make sure that Vocal Enhancer is selected. Adjust the curve the way I adjusted and click Apply. Final step, go to Effects tab again. Amplitude and Compression, then Effect Hard Limiter. Set this to -3 and click Apply. Now you are ready to go. Welcome to Danny's Quickest Tutorials. If this was useful and I saved your time, please hit the subscribe button. Welcome to Danny's Quickest Tutorials. Welcome to Danny's Quickest Tutorials.